Tonight, we're going to be doing a little stealth camping. And all stealth camping is spending the night inside your rig, parked in a location where ideally the people passing by do not suspect that you are sleeping inside your vehicle. That's all stealth camping is. And trying to find a spot to park where your vehicle kind of blends in. It doesn't seem to be out of the ordinary. And so that's what we're going to do tonight. And so I was driving down Highway 8 in Yuma, Arizona, heading towards California, and I saw one of my favorite stealth camping situations pop up. A parking lot that is shared by multiple hotels, and that's what we have right here. We actually have 3 hotels. We have this Candlewood Suites, this Holiday Inn Express, and then over here on the right, it says Boston's Restaurant, but it's actually it's a hotel right here. For some reason, the hotel information isn't populating. And so I think if we park right here at this median in between these 2 hotels, they're not going to know why we're there, who we're visiting, and we should be able to get through the night without being bothered. Here we are pulling up on Hotel Row. Very excited about a parking lot shared by 3 separate hotels. Nobody knows what's going on. Which hotel is he staying in? Could be this one, could be that one. They got no idea. Joke's on them, I ain't staying in any of the hotels. I brought my own hotel. This is a pretty nice little area. They got the palm trees all lit up. So this is 4 Points by Sheraton. That's the first hotel. We're gonna pass this one, and we're gonna park in this little in-between section. The next one is Holiday Inn Express. I'm already seeing some work trucks over here parked up. Up here on the left, there's actually, it looks like an RV just camped out. Oh yeah, this looks good. On the right here, you can see these service vehicles. That's why I love having the commercial wrap on my unit, is it just looks like a work vehicle. And it's pretty common when businesses are working out of state, traveling, you know, that they'll rent hotel rooms and park all their rigs in the lot. So this looks really good. Really good. There's a little camper trailer. I want something kind of flat. We'll go for this. Go ahead and just back up in here. That's it. We got the freeway over here. There's a work truck. Over there, there's an RV, another work truck with the Bobcat on the back. There's an F-Series. Overall, pretty small turnout right here. So, that's it. We're gonna kill it. Now for ultimate stealth, I do like to use the pass-through, which takes me from the cab directly into the living space without having to go outside. Recently I'm traveling with this e-bike, so I have this huge e-bike in the passenger seat. It's gonna take a little bit of finagling for me to like wrap myself around the tire and sneak in the back, but you guys are gonna get to watch Nomad Brad struggle here. So, this is for your viewing pleasure. I'm doing it for you guys. Okay, so let's see if I can juggle around this tire. Open the door. I made it. I snuck around the tire from the cab into the living space. Didn't have to go outside. Mission Impossible style in the black t-shirt. Let's go. So it's time to get settled in for the evening. I'm gonna go ahead and kick on some lights so we can see what we're doing. We have a busy evening ahead of us. I'm gonna cook some delicious food. Get comfortable up in here. Woo, that's bright. So the van is currently set up in day mode. I have the bed pushed up to the side into 2 benches. That allows me access in and out of the pass-through. And this is kind of just a cool setup for the day. You can sit on the bench, watch TV, I can work on the laptop. But my favorite position, especially in the evening, I like to pull this bed out. Just kind of one click, and that gets me into day bed mode. And so that's kind of a comfortable position I like to lounge in when I'm eating and hanging out and watching TV and working on my laptop. That's kind of the most comfy spot. So I'm going to go ahead and get that set up. Long day at the office. Oh. Oh. So I'm hungry, I'm ready to make some dinner. Tonight we're doing a delicious beef roast. But first I'm gonna go ahead and connect the internet, pull out the TV, and get a little YouTube going so I got something to watch while I'm cooking. And this brings me to the sponsor of today's video. This is Connecten Internet. I've been using their service for a few months now. It's been working out great. This is basically my mobile hotspot. I know it looks a little crazy. It's got all the antennas on it. Cool thing about this hotspot is it has a digital SIM card. So the cell power internet pumps right into this device, and it's actually compatible with AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile internet carriers. So with this one unit, depending on where you're at, it can select between those 3 carriers and choose the strongest signal.
So today's captain of the ship is Colin. We're in the tow truck right now, and it is 20 degrees outside. It's gonna be a cold one.
Like we're out here in the tundra today, boys.
So this side will be easiest to access and to get it out. We'll follow you up here.
So here's what we're making tonight. I have a roast. First we're gonna braise it in the skillet, then I'm gonna cook it in the Instant Pot for 60 minutes. We're gonna add some white sweet potato, 2 carrots, and some onion. And I think I have 1 can left of cream of mushroom soup. So down here in these orange containers, I have all my extra kitchen items. Garbanzo beans, lots of canned beans, that's for sure. Pickles, tuna fish, I don't know. Not looking too good, my friends. I really thought I had an extra can. I guess I should have just got one at the grocery store. Let's check this guy. Aha! Yes, I do. Condensed cream of mushroom soup. I have 1 left. So this is gonna be the base for our roast beef stew. Let's go. So the first thing I'm doing is heating up the skillet. I put some coconut oil in, and we wanna just braise the roast. And for those of you that are wondering, this is an electric induction cooktop. I got the commercial electric range hood. We're gonna be using the Instant Pot. I use all electric for cooking, and everything is powered by my custom solar powered electrical system. I have 1200 watts of solar on the roof. Comes into this 3000 watt inverter charger. And it charges 2 12 volt, 200 amp hour Enjoybot batteries. So the whole operation, everything in the van is running off electricity, which comes from free energy from the sun, and I absolutely love it. And this piece of meat is looking pretty delicious. I think we're just about completely braised up. Take a look at this. There it is, looking healthy. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the Instant Pot ready and chop up these vegetables. So we're gonna put all this into the Instant Pot, but first I wanna add this cream of mushroom soup. because I don't want any of the vegetables to stick to the bottom of the pan while it's cooking. So we're going to pour this in first. And so here's what it looks like. Cream of mushroom soup with 2 additional cans of water. This is a 10.5 ounce can, by the way. And then the braised roast, carrots, sweet potato, and onions. And then the last thing I'm going to add is this spice blend from the Gourmet Collection. This is called Herbes de Provence. Basil, oregano, fennel seed, lavender, rosemary, sage, thyme, all kinds of stuff. But it's a really good kind of general purpose blend. And it adds some really nice flavor. So we're going to just sprinkle that on top. And there's the final version right before we place the bowl into the Instant Pot. Pressure cook. We're going to set the timer down to 60 minutes. Turn off, keep warm. And that's it. We're good to go. We'll just let the Instant Pot do its thing. And here it is. The timer went off on the Instant Pot. It's been 1 hour. Let's see how we did. I wish you guys could smell the aromas that are in the box truck because this roast is smelling pretty dang good. There it is. Looking tender, looking tasty, looking well seasoned. Let's grab a fork and see how that roast does. So you can see it's a little bit creamy, all that cream of mushroom. Got the carrots and the onion. There we go. Look at that. Just flaking. So good. It smells good. I can't wait. Even though I know it's hot. It's probably lava. It's probably lava, but we'll try it. Oh my goodness. So tender. So juicy. A little bit creamy. Absolutely delicious. Okay, I gotta get a bowl. I'm excited. And here it is, the final product. The roast beef, the white sweet potatoes, the carrots. We got some onion in here. Some little skins of onion. God, it smells so good. With that cream of mushroom, with the cream of mushroom base and then with those other spices I added, it's pretty easy to just turn a few simple ingredients into a delicious meal. So good.
Yeah, you're doing pretty good. Just trying to find a balance between dragging and...
So now we're going to go outside, do a little tour around the rig, and I want to show you how well these blackout curtains work. So you can see that even with all the lights on inside, it's totally stealthy from the outside. Anybody walking by is going to have no idea there's somebody living inside. Unless they smell the delicious pot roast. Here we are in the parking lot, and take a look at these windows. The Holiday Inn Express. Take a look at the windows. You can see it's totally black. You can't see anything. And if we walk around to the front, you can't see anything through the cab. No light coming through the door. And then coming around to the side again, no light on this side either. It's total blackout. Absolutely amazing. I love it. Pretty quiet parking lot overall. Not much activity. Holiday Inn Express. 4 Points by Sheridan. We got the freeway over there. Super chill spot for the evening. So this is going to be no sweat. No problem. Spending the night here. And here we are, back in the van with all the lights on, absolutely blinding. I gotta turn these lights down. There we go, that's a little better. So you can see what a good job the blackout curtains do. There's no indication from the outside that there's anybody living on the inside. And also, parking lot's pretty chill. You can see why I like parking in a parking lot that's shared by multiple hotels. I'm kind of right in the middle between the two. It's no man's land. Sheraton and Holiday Inn, they don't know if I'm staying in one hotel or the other, so odds are it's going to be a safe night stealth camping, and I'm going to get some good night's sleep. And I'm tired. It's time to get ready for bed. So the next thing I'm going to do is move the bed from the lounge mode into full bed mode. That's my favorite part because this bed is so comfortable. And here it is in full bed mode. Look at that. Full-size bed. TV at the foot of the bed. Oh, so comfortable. This is the life. Look at that. Sleeping on memory foam. Watching YouTube on the big screen. Hell yeah. Alright, that's it for me. I'm ready to crash out. I'll keep you updated if anything happens in the middle of the night, but my guess is everything's going to be chill, and so we'll wake up in the morning and see what it looks like outside. Peace. We made it through the night, no issues, nobody bothered us. Look at that sun peeking through the window. It's an absolutely beautiful day. As the sun comes up, parking lot still looking good. Come over to this side. You can see that RV that was back in the corner, that guy left. This truck is still here. And then this big semi-truck came in a few hours ago. But we made it. Made it safely. So now I got my workstation set up. Got the Connecten Internet cranking. I'm about to hop online and do a video conference. Get a little bit of work done. Transfer some footage to my hard drive. And I'm going to get started making this video. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you learned a little bit in this video, a little bit about stealth camping. And I hope you have confidence to go find a stealth camping location in your neck of the woods. And if you have the option, choose a triple hotel community parking lot. It's probably going to be a safe bet. That's it for me, guys. I appreciate it. Nomad Brad signing out. Peace.